Who's who? Mastering subject questions with who. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on asking and answering questions in English. Today, we are going to focus on forming questions with the word who, particularly subject questions. Subject questions can seem tricky, but once you understand the rules, you'll be able to use them like a pro. So, let's dive in. First off, let's define what a subject question is. In English, we often use question words, like who, what, where, to ask for information. These question words can be used to ask about the subject or the object of a sentence. But when we're talking about who as a subject question, we're asking about the person doing the action. For example, consider this sentence: someone ate the cake. If you want to know who performed the action, ate the cake, your subject question would be, who ate the cake? Now that we understand what a subject question is, let's explore how to form them with who. The structure for these questions is pretty straightforward. Who plus verb plus rest of the sentence. Let's try a few examples together. 1. Who plays the piano beautifully? 2. Who wrote this book? 3. Who is calling me? Remember that we're focusing on the person doing the action, not the person receiving the action. Just to clarify, it's important to distinguish between who, used in subject questions, and who, used in object questions. In subject questions, who is followed by a verb. In object questions, who is usually preceded by a verb and a preposition or auxiliary verb. Compare. Subject question. Who bought the car? Who performed the action? Object question. To whom did you sell the car? Who received the action? This distinction is crucial in mastering who in English conversation. And that wraps up our lesson on forming subject questions with who. Remember, it's all about finding the person who is doing the action. With a little practice, these questions will soon become second nature to you. Keep practicing, keep asking questions, and you'll master the art of English conversation before you know it. Happy learning!